The Earth is changing, temperatures are rising, ice caps are melting. These changes are not just happening in remote places, they are affecting ecosystems and communities around the world. The polar ice is a crucial part of our planet's climate system, and its rapid melting is a clear signal that something is seriously wrong. We see more extreme weather events like powerful hurricanes and intense heat waves. These events are becoming more frequent and more severe, causing widespread damage and disruption. The increasing intensity of these natural disasters is a direct consequence of the changing climate, and it poses a significant threat to human life and property. These changes are a big problem for people and the planet. Flooded streets, drought-stricken lands, and communities displaced by rising sea levels are just a few examples of the devastating impacts. The social and economic costs are enormous, affecting millions of lives and livelihoods. Climate science helps us understand these changes. Scientists are working tirelessly to gather data and analyze trends. Their research provides critical insights into how our climate is evolving and what we can expect in the future. This knowledge is essential for developing strategies to mitigate and adapt to the impacts of climate change. It's like a detective's work, using data and evidence to explain why the climate is changing and what might happen next. This information is crucial. Advanced computer models and cutting-edge technology allow scientists to predict future climate scenarios with increasing accuracy. These predictions help policymakers and communities make informed decisions. It helps us prepare for the future. By understanding the potential impacts, we can build flood defenses, invest in renewable energy sources, and develop climate-resilient infrastructure. These proactive measures are vital for reducing vulnerability and enhancing resilience to climate-related risks. Understanding climate change is not just for scientists anymore, it's for everyone. Public awareness campaigns, community meetings, and educational workshops are essential for spreading knowledge and encouraging action. Everyone has a role to play in addressing this global challenge. We all share this planet, and we need to understand the challenges we face. A diverse group of people from all walks of life are coming together to tackle climate change. Global cooperation and environmental activism are key to driving meaningful change and ensuring a sustainable future for all. That's why climate science is so important today. The urgency of the situation cannot be overstated. Continued research and collaboration are essential for developing effective solutions and safeguarding our planet for future generations. Climate models are complex computer programs. They use mathematical equations to represent the Earth's climate system. Think of it like a giant interactive map of our planet inside a computer. These models factor in many things: the atmosphere, oceans, ice, land, and even living things. By inputting data and simulating different scenarios, scientists use these models to understand how the climate behaves. Early climate models were simpler, but over time, they've become more sophisticated. They now include more details and processes, making them more accurate and reliable. Climate modeling is always improving. Scientists are developing even more powerful tools. One key advancement is the use of supercomputers. These machines are incredibly fast. They can handle huge amounts of data and complex calculations. Another advancement is the incorporation of artificial intelligence. AI helps analyze massive data sets and identify patterns. This helps improve the accuracy of climate predictions. These advancements allow scientists to create more detailed and localized climate projections. This means we can better understand how climate change will impact specific regions and communities. Section 4. Predicting the future, protecting our planet. Advanced climate models are crucial for understanding the future of our planet. These models use vast amounts of data and sophisticated algorithms to simulate the Earth's climate system. They help us project how the climate might change under different scenarios, such as increased greenhouse gas emissions or significant reductions. These projections are not about predicting the future with complete certainty. Instead, they offer a range of possible outcomes based on current trends and potential actions. Instead, they provide a range of possibilities, helping us to prepare for various potential futures. This helps us understand the risks and make informed decisions. Policymakers and communities can use this information to develop strategies that protect people and the environment. By understanding the potential impacts of climate change, we can take steps to mitigate its effects. This includes preparing for extreme weather events and other climate-related challenges. This includes reducing greenhouse gas emissions through renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, and adopting sustainable practices, and adapting to the changes already happening. Communities around the world are already taking action, building resilience and working towards a sustainable future. Section 5. Turning Tides, Success Stories, and Future Directions. In this section, we explore the remarkable progress made in climate science and the promising paths ahead. Climate models are already making a significant difference in our understanding of the planet's complex systems. These models are not just theoretical, they are practical tools that have real-world applications. They've helped improve our understanding of extreme weather events such as hurricanes and floods, as well as the ongoing rise in sea levels. Additionally, they shed light on the impact of climate change on diverse ecosystems, from lush forests to vibrant coral reefs. For example, climate models have been used to predict the paths of hurricanes with increasing accuracy. This predictive power is essential for timely and effective responses. This information is crucial for disaster preparedness and saving lives. Communities can be better informed and take necessary precautions to protect themselves and their property. The future of climate science is promising. With the integration of advanced technology and innovative research methods, we are on the brink of new discoveries. With continued advancements in modeling and data analysis, we can expect even more accurate and actionable information. Collaborative efforts among scientists, data analysts, and technologists are paving the way for groundbreaking insights. Climate change is a complex challenge that affects every aspect of our environment. From melting glaciers to severe droughts and wildfires, the evidence is clear and compelling. But with the help of science and a commitment to action, we can create a more sustainable future for generations to come. Community efforts in reforestation, the adoption of renewable energy sources, and conservation initiatives are all steps in the right direction. Together, we can make a difference.